Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread ka halwa. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 slices of white bread with the crusts removed. For the sweet syrup, have 1 cup of sugar and 1.5 cups of water ready. Don't forget half a cup of ghee and a small handful of your favorite nuts and raisins for garnish. This simple dessert is surprisingly quick to prepare. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee in a large, non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the ghee is hot, add your bread slices and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy on both sides. This step is crucial for the texture. After frying, remove the bread and tear it into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, we'll prepare the sweet syrup. In a separate pot, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1.5 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally until all the sugar has completely dissolved. You don't need a thick syrup, just one where the sugar is fully incorporated. For an aromatic touch, add a small pinch of cardamom powder to the syrup. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your fried bread pieces directly into the hot sugar syrup. Stir well, ensuring every piece is coated. Continue cooking on low heat, stirring gently until the bread absorbs all the liquid and the halwa thickens to a delightful consistency. Garnish with your fried nuts and raisins. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade bread halwa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.